Hi everyone, this is Brenda from Mainly Hybrid Homesteading. Hope you're doing well today. Today I'm going to be checking to see if we grew any potatoes. We have some growing in 5-gallon buckets and also in the main garden, but one of my buckets, the plants have died, which for regular potatoes, that's when you're supposed to harvest them. So I'm going to be digging those up and see if we actually grew some. Let's take a look at that bucket. So this is the one that I'm talking about. If I can lift it into the wheelbarrow, we'll empty it out there and fish through it and see if we can get any potatoes. The two plants next to it are still growing. And like I said in the previous video, I never saw these potato plants actually flower. They may have flowered when we were gone for a week in June, but hopefully they did, part of the growing process. So we're gonna open up this bucket, and I think we have one over here as well. That's all, seems to be all done. So this one is still growing. This one just has some weeds in it, so we'll check that one out as well. I apologize for the wind, but it sure feels good. Okay, moment of truth. Whoop. Okay. Well, we have some baby potatoes. Just some very tiny ones. That looks like a rotten one. So that's all we got out of that bucket. So let's check out the other one. So this one's too heavy for me to lift, so just going to empty it out by hand and see what we get. So I only got about 10 of these small potatoes. They hardly qualify as baby potatoes. So far, not an impressive potato harvest, but we still have 3 more buckets that are still growing, and then we have some growing in the ground in the garden. See if those come out a little better. This is the first time we've actually grown potatoes in the garden. And maybe the 5-gallon buckets was not the way to go, but time will tell. I'm sure Tim will enjoy them just as much. They certainly won't feed him through the winter. Thanks for watching today. Please like and share this video. Let me know if you have any comments. What has worked for you? Tips and tricks on growing potatoes. We grew up picking potatoes, but never really grew them. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.